All right, so those were just my buttermilk Southern Homestyle biscuits. And I am just cutting them into 4 pieces. So it's kind of like a monkey bread-like dish we're going for. And this is all in my metal Christmas tree pan that I greased. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna come in with my chopped bacon. This is pre-cooked, and we're gonna just sprinkle that right in there. You can use whatever breakfast meat you like, a sausage, a ham, but everyone knows that bacon is the best breakfast meat, so that's what I'm going for. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with my triple cheddar blend, and we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle of this triple cheddar right in there. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious Christmas breakfast. So if you are unsure what to make for Christmas breakfast, I got you covered. Now before we get to the next step, I am just gonna go ahead and kind of toss those biscuits with that bacon and that cheddar, just so it's not all sitting on the top. We want it to be nice and well blended, and those little pieces of biscuits to be covered in cheese.
Every last biscuit better have cheese in it, babe.
Oh yeah. And this pan that I got is just so fun for Christmas. I got it last year on Amazon, but they still have it. It's the Wilton brand, and it is a metal, so don't worry, it's not plastic. Okay, that looks just good enough. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side, and I'm gonna grab my 10 eggs. And with that 10 eggs, I'm gonna pour in a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and this is just gonna make those eggs nice and fluffy. Oh yeah, did about like 1/3 a cup. You don't need more than that. Now I'm gonna come in with my seasoning. I have some garlic sea salt. You can season your eggs to however you like it. I love garlic sea salt with my eggs, call me crazy. And this is gonna season up the whole dish, so don't be shy with those seasonings. Now I'm gonna come in with some black pepper. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good, you guys. And remember, it's seasoning the whole dish, so you guys might think that looks like a lot, but it's really not. It's the perfect amount of seasoning.
Yeah, that looks good.
And then we wanna add a little bit of Christmas color in there, so we're gonna add some paprika. Tastes really good with the eggs anyways. So we're gonna just, you know, be generous with that paprika. Perfect. Oh yeah, okay, we are almost ready. We're gonna grab our whisk, and we are gonna whisk up those eggs until they are all broken up and that heavy cream is well combined. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good, you guys. It wasn't too much seasoning.
Yeah, definitely not.
Okay, now that that's nice and blended, we are gonna go ahead and bring back our Christmas tree pan for the best part. Okay, and we're gonna drizzle this right into those biscuits. Make sure they're all covered.
Those eggs look so fluffy and delicious.
It's that heavy cream. Ooh!
Yeah, I was wondering why I used heavy cream instead of milk.
Exactly. Okay, now before we pop this in the oven, I am just gonna top it off with my freeze-dried chives. This is optional. Just adds that green, and also it tastes great with that cheese and bacon flavor. Look how pretty that looks.
It looks like holiday.
It looks like a Christmas tree. Okay, you guys, my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for 35 to 40 minutes. My goodness. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing, it looks amazing. This is gonna be really good, you guys. Okay, I do want to flip it out of our container so we can get the full Christmas tree effect. Let's go ahead and put that right on top. It's okay if it squishes it, all that goodness will still be there. Okay, and just very carefully easy peasy.
Yeah, you made that look really easy.
Turn that around for you guys so we can get the full Christmas tree effect. Hey,
I'm so excited.
You ready?
I think so.
Look how cute that is! I am gonna top mine with some sriracha, and that's just gonna make it look extra festive.
Smells delicious, looks delicious. Love sriracha.
Who doesn't love sriracha on their breakfast? Okay, let's go ahead and get a piece. Oh my gosh, it's perfectly cooked. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh, those eggs and those biscuits. This is gonna be so delicious, you guys. It is time to try a bite of our Christmas breakfast.